Hello everyone, enjoying the summer? The temperature is rising, however LAWAI team is still working hard to produce customized ideal stainless steel hollow balls here in Taiwan. Let's take a look what our cowboys are doing now. From melting to centrifugal casting, each stage is very critical and should be controlled by men. This is why we always say our centrifugal casting products are handmade. LAWAI's stainless steel hollow balls are special because they are 100% made in Taiwan. The material is produced by centrifugal casting and the shape is formed by cold pressing method. The one-piece constructed hollow balls are much better than two half spheres welded together. I know this short introduction is not enough and you still want to know more about LAWAI's custom stainless steel hollow balls. Please email us or fill in the inquiry form. LAWAI team will reply to you soon.